Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another Tuesdays in the Attic Freaky Fast formulas from the scrap room. Got another layout with Jen for you. She will be linked in the description, as well as the scrap room who originated the Freaky Fast formulas we are working on today. I've got some Paige Evans Garden Shop, whatever I have left from the scrap room kit. We've got some cuts we got to make. So I like to go ahead and make the cuts that are suggested in the Freaky Fast formula and then go from there. So I'm gonna make the cuts first. Let me get this cardstock trimmed down since I have a piece of this beautiful cardstock left over. We will definitely use this. This is Basil Blue Star, so it's kind of like this dusty blue. I really like it. But our cuts we need to make are 6.5 by 9, 3 by 9, 1 by 9, and 1/2 by 10 1/4. So I have this lovely, is this a branding strip? No, but it's definitely a 1/2 inch. I like this. So we're gonna make this a 10 1/4 right away. It's something that's already cut partially for me, so might as well take advantage. So I've got my 10 1/4, some things for photo mats, what have you. I could have done these for 10 1/4 as well, but I did not. Are these 2 1/2 inch that I could make them into a 1 inch and cheat the system a little? Because that would be great. No. I mean, maybe. How long is this? This is 12, so this could be my 3 by 9. Sure could, just have to cut the branding strip off. Now the lovely thing about these Freaky Fast formulas as well is nobody said you had to stop there when doing the papers. You can always add more, so keep that in mind. So 3 by 9. How long is this? Ooh, 8. So close. Because we could have done the 1 by 9 out of this. We still could. And I'll show you how. We could just cheat. I just need another inch. So I've got my 1 by 9, my 3 by 9, my 1/2 by 10 1/4. Now I just need my 6.5 by 9. Oh, 6.5 by 9. So I've got my cuts here. And now I just need to go look for some photos and figure out what else we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go look for some photos and we'll go from there. I found some photos. I had almost been done scrapbooking this kind of like day, and I think I just had these 3 left. So I was like, perfect, that works. So I took the back side leftover of this and just matted my photos on there. I trimmed them all down. About 2.5 by 5, roughly, and they'll fit perfectly on there. So I also took this lovely paper and gutted it, and I will save that for another layout. Maybe I'll use that for another Freaky Fast formula. I don't know, I don't have a lot left on this collection. This might have to just be a use it up. And I was thinking, since we did the Frankensteining of that one, I was going to do just add all the color around. I thought that worked really well, and just kind of stagger this one here, that one there, and then this was going to go across. So Something like that. I like that. I have all these embellishments. Bloom and Grow would be a good title. We could come up with a different title other than one of these that could just line up right on the bottom, I feel like, or right on the top. I don't know. I haven't decided that yet. Let me get this stuff glued down. I really like this. I think I'm going to journal over here and straighten this stuff out. Let me get glued down. I'm gonna go look through my pre-made titles. Otherwise, I'll go find an alpha that we can use, but I think I bet I have a pre-made title. And then I got carried away and I finished the layout without you guys. So I backed this part with just a piece of white tissue paper, popped it up on foam so that all this then also got popped on foam. I found this. This is from Simple Stories Good Stuff, and it matches all the colors perfectly. So it was one of the pre-made towels. I hadn't opened that. I think I got it in a blind box or a grab box from a Cherry on Top or something. So that was awesome. That worked out perfect. I was hoping to use up some older stash, but I was like, oh my gosh, this is the same colors and everything. This is great. And then I just sprinkled some of the leaves on the sticker sheet around, a little cluster with love and the bee here, put the little hummingbird over here. I wrote the 3 things he played with the most at this museum trip. Glued all this down. And yeah, it's like page number, I think 5 of this whole day. So it's not like I need too much more else. It's just some good pictures of him playing outside in the maze and stuff. So yeah, there we go. So that is my layout today. Make sure you go check out Jen and see what she created with the Freaky Fest formula from the scrap room. This one was back, I think, in January 2012. I think it said it on the picture. So if you want to play along, go ahead and we'll keep them coming. We got a lot more to go to share with you, but from digging in the archives, I can't wait to keep on doing these, and I appreciate all of you for watching. So we'll see you next time.